everyone, welcome to an interesting channel Education with Excitement. This is question answer of chapter 1, class 6th, Honeysuckle book. Who did Patrick's homework? Start. Our question first is, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? Answer. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll, but is what really a man of the tiniest size. Our question number 2. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Answer. The little man granted Patrick a wish because he wanted to get free from cat who was torturing him by playing with him. Our question number 3 is, what was Patrick's wish? Answer. Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework till the end of the semester, which was for 35 days. He wanted to get A grade in all subjects. Our question number 4 is, in what subject did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Answer. The little man needed Patrick's help in almost all subjects. In English, he wanted Patrick to find the meaning of words from the dictionary. In maths, he took guidance from Patrick for addition, subtraction, division and fraction, and human history was a mystery for him. Our question number 5 is, how did Patrick help him? Answer. Patrick helped him by consulting a dictionary for difficult words in English. He guided the little man in doing sums in arithmetic and read out portions from history book as he did not know anything about human history. Our question number 6 is, who do you think did Patrick's homework, the little man or Patrick himself? Give reason for your answer. Answer. It was not the little man but Patrick himself had did his homework, as little man did not know anything in English, maths and human history. Patrick had to consult a dictionary, guide him with maths and help him to read too. He stayed up at night and worked hard, therefore it was Patrick who did the homework unknowingly. Working with language. Number A. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below with the words or phrases from the box. You may not know the meaning of all the words. Look such words up in a dictionary or ask your teacher. Out of luck, mystery, true to his word. Chores semester between you and me. Look up. Some people find household dash a bore, but I like to help at home. This is answer is chores. Who stole the diamond is still a dash. This is answer is mystery. This dash we are going to have a class exhibition. Question 3 answer is semester. Dash the half began to help Patrick. Question 4 answer is true to his word. Can you dash this word in the dictionary? Question 5 answer is look up. Can you dash this? Sorry, I started early to be on time, but I was dash. There was a traffic jam. Question number 6 answer is out of luck. She says she's got a lot of books, but dash I think most of them are borrowed. Question 7 answer is between you and me. So page number 12 answer. Number B. Use the clues given below to complete this crossword puzzle. Across, first very tired, second had an angry look on the face. 3. Short trousers. 4. A fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. 5. I smell a naughty boy fairy. Down. What that must be done every day, often boring a basket with a lid. Gave a short, high-pitched cry. This is answer is questions. First, weary. Second, scowled. And third, breeches. Fourth is glitched, and fifth is elf, and sixth is cowled, seventh is hamper, eighth is striked. Complete page. Okay, so this is all answer of chapter 1. Thank you for watching.